In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to properly present PowerPoint slides in Zoom. To begin, make sure your PowerPoint presentation is open and that you've joined your Zoom call. Having the deck open before you share keeps things smooth and avoids that awkward scramble during a meeting. Double check that you're on the first slide and everything looks correct, so you're ready to go the moment you start. Next, press F5 on your keyboard. This launches your presentation in full-screen slideshow mode. You'll notice your slide fills the entire screen, which is exactly what your audience should see. This full-screen view is designed for presenting, so transitions, animations, and embedded media will display the way you intended. With your slides now running full screen, you need to get back to the Zoom meeting window without closing your presentation. Press Alt+Tab on your keyboard. Keep holding Alt while you tap Tab to cycle through your open applications until you highlight the Zoom meeting window. Release the keys and Zoom will come to the front. This quick switch lets your slideshow keep running quietly in the background while you bring up Zoom's controls. At the bottom of the Zoom window, click the Share button. It's the big control that opens the sharing options. When the Share window appears, you'll see thumbnails of everything you can share. Look carefully for the option that shows your full-screen PowerPoint presentation. It may be labeled something like PowerPoint Slideshow, or it might simply show a large image of the slide that's currently on screen. That's the one you want, because it ensures participants see the actual slideshow, not the editing view. Select that full-screen PowerPoint window and click Share. The moment you do, Zoom will broadcast your slides to everyone in the meeting. From there, you can present as usual. Use your keyboard arrows or your mouse to move through the slides and speak naturally as you guide your audience. Since you started in full screen mode and shared that specific window, your viewers will see a clean, professional presentation without distractions. And that's it. By opening your presentation first, starting the full screen slideshow with F5, switching back to Zoom with Alt+Tab, clicking Share, and selecting the full screen PowerPoint window, you're set up for a smooth, polished delivery. Follow these steps each time, and you'll present confidently and clearly in any Zoom meeting.